So I want to show you how you can search for items on Pinterest and find relevant keywords on Pinterest as well. So let's have a look here. So this is one of the main pages for inspiration. So this is going to be a really good place for you to actually look. So this is called Pinterest Trends. If you just go onto Google and just type in Pinterest Trends, it will bring this page up. Obviously you can see here, this is trends that have been searched with a high volume within the last 30 days. So we've got, if you scroll across, you've got all of these here. Now, it would be a really good idea if you can get some of these keywords or products, things like that, into your content. So obviously we've got Valentine's Day coming up. So that's, flowers and aesthetic, those are kind of general. They can be used for most niches. And it shows you up here the percentage of how they're changing as well. So you can see whether they're on the rise or whether they're coming down a little bit, like the nails one. You can search by date, you can search by keyword specifics. So if we wanted to, we could type in sort of like parenting, for example. Okay, so parenting hasn't brought anything up. Let's have a look. Okay. Here we go, children. So we've got children's illustration, children's bedrooms, that's trending. You can also go up here and you can search by country as well. So if you're marketing to a specific country. So again, these are things that are trend keywords on Pinterest, and you can check where they are and whether they're trending or not, so if they're going up or down. So parenting itself, let's have a look. So from December, so parenting does seem to be coming down a little bit at the moment, but let's have a look. If we go down here, this is starting to give more relevant terms. So as you can see here, the keyword mum life and mummy life are actually rising. So those are going to be good ones that you're going to want to get in as well. Parenting quotes, they're coming down, but let's have a look. Teen mum, so that's orange. That's stayed pretty straight at the moment, but I would say mummy life is a really good one to be getting onto if you're a parenting coach. Let's take off some of these ones here. Let's have a look. Parenting quotes, again, that seems to be fairly stagnant. I think that one's sort of going down a little bit. But if you wanted it in a chart, you can see this here. Now, what I would do is I would go here and I would select the ones that I want. So if I was going to use Mummy Life, which is a good one for, say, my niche, and then I would go back to Pinterest, and I would actually create a board. And I would use that as my board name. And then let's have a look. So you want to pin a few pins that are going to be relevant for you and your niche, just so your board's not empty. And this is also a good way to help get yours boosted as well. So I normally pin about 5 to my new boards. And then I've got my board set up. So then I would go in and I would add my little description. So Mummy Life, all about, and again, you want to be using your keyword in here as well. If you're struggling, what you can do is you can hop over to ChatGPT or Gemini and just type in a prompt. So you are, can't type today, a Pinterest marketing expert creating boards for parents in business. You have over 30 years experience. I want you to create an SEO optimized board description for my board, Mummy Life. That'll do. We'll try that. There you go. So juggling work and motherhood, this board is your go-to for inspiration and practical tips. There we go. Now what I would do is I don't want hashtags in my board, so remove hashtag from board and use in the description instead. Okay, so that's not worked, so we'll just do it this way. So what I would do then is I would copy that, go back to my board. Oh, that's not copied for some reason. Why? Copy, paste. There we go. Mr. J. Yep. And there's my board. So now if someone comes from the board, they can see exactly what it's for, they can see what's included, and then I would go in and I would start creating pins for my board basically, and it's keyword optimized now as well. You could also chuck in a few extra keywords into there if you want to boost your SEO a little bit, but that's how I use Pinterest trends. And then when I'm creating a pin, I would jump over to Canva, and I would start looking into boards that relate to this. So Mummy Life, we go in here and we have a look and we see what other people have been pinning, and what's been working for them. So how to live happier life as a mum, how to be more present as a mum. You've got more keywords here as well. So if this is relevant for you, you can start including these. And I would start copying, not copying, but I would start having a look at people's designs and what they're doing. And then this is what I'm looking for here. So this related searches. So this is where I'm going to start getting my keywords from for my pins that are going to go into this board. So mum lifestyle, kids and mum, future mum goals, baby life. When I'm writing my pin descriptions, I will start incorporating these keywords here so that they get found within this section of the board. So hope that helps. If you want a walkthrough on how I create a pin, let me know, and I will show you how to incorporate your keywords as well.